In this video, you will learn how to use School Messenger as a tool for communication between teachers and parents or guardians. School Messenger operates like a chat in which teachers can send messages to parents or guardians, and parents or guardians can respond directly to the teacher. First, teachers can create an account in the School Messenger app. Enter the URL go.schoolmessenger.com. Select Sign Up. Then, enter your district email address with the first letter uppercase, your location, and a password. The password must contain one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and 6 characters. You'll be sent an email with a link for you to verify your account. Please note that this email is only valid for 24 hours and will expire if you do not click on it and log into School Messenger within that time. If you let the email expire after 24 hours, you'll have to restart the registration process by having a new email sent to you with a new link. Once the account is verified, close the browser or app, then reopen the browser or app, and go to go.schoolmessenger.com and log in. To log into the School Messenger app, click on Login on the menu bar. Enter the email address you used to register in the School Messenger app. Enter your password. Select your location. Please note the United States is selected as the default location, and then click Login. You can also sign up for the account login using the School Messenger app. Just make sure that you download the School Messenger app in blue, not the School Messenger admin app, which is in gold. After you've successfully logged in with a verified email, you should expect to see any messages that you've recently received for any contacts, student, staff, and/or guardian records that are associated with your account email address. You can navigate through the options by using the left navigation bar. Your account information and contacts will already be inputted into the system. The contacts listed here are connected to the email address for your account. You'll see a contact card with your name and the school district located here. Parents will also be able to see their child's name with their school and district. Access your contacts by clicking the icon with the 3 lines and clicking Contacts. You'll have 2 options: to join groups or to manage groups. For the Join Groups page, all the groups you're a member of, whether you're the group teacher or just a participant, appear here. For the Manage Groups page, only groups that you've either created or have joined automatically as the main group teacher based on your account appear here. There are 2 types of groups you'll see in both the Join Groups page and the Manage Groups page. The first is automatic groups. Groups you're automatically joined with linked to your account, such as your classes and all students and parents linked to your class. The second is teacher-created groups. These are groups created by you that you can edit or delete. You can join and leave groups other teachers have created if you're given an access code. Let's take a closer look at automatic groups. Automatic groups will have an address book icon next to its name and are created using district data from PowerSchool. If an automatic group appears in your Manage Groups page, you're the group teacher and will be able to see all participants linked to that group. Participants who don't have a School Messenger app account will be grayed out and marked as unregistered. The teacher should encourage parents to create an account so that they will automatically be populated into the class group. You can either be a participant or the group teacher if an automatic group is in your Join Groups page. Automatic groups that you're only a participant in will only appear on this page, not the Manage Groups page, and you will not be able to view the other participants of that group. Unlike teacher-created groups, automatic groups cannot be edited by the teacher. Now let's take a look at teacher-created groups. Teachers can create conversation or discussion groups in which students, parents, guardians, and other school staff can participate. But before such participation can occur, participants must have a record or user account in Communicate. So, teachers should encourage parents or guardians to make sure they have a user account in School Messenger through Communicate. Because this is a teacher-created group, the teacher can edit or delete the message. Group headers will appear on the left side of the screen under Manage Groups. The selected group is highlighted with a blue line, and there's a breakdown of group members displayed by role. Over on the right, group members appear on that side of the screen, and you can click to see the group access code and edit the group name over there as well. Let's look a little closer at how to create a group. Click on the Manage Groups menu option. Then click the Create a Group link. If you've already created one or more groups, they will be listed on this page. Otherwise, you'll only see a prompt to create a new group. Create a name for the group, and then click Create. The School Messenger app will create your group and then generate and assign a group access code. This is the code that anyone who wants to join the group will be required to enter before they can become a member of the group. A unique code is generated for each group you create. Then click Done to return to the Manage Groups page. The group you just created will appear on the next screen with 0 members. You'll distribute the access code to those who you want to add to your group so that they can join. Please note that you cannot add members to your group. You can only provide the group access code to the people who want to join. They'll need to download the School Messenger app and join the group themselves. As far as joining a group, once the participant has received the access code from the group teacher, they should click on Join Groups in the menu option, click on the Join Group link, and in the Join Group window, enter that access code that was provided. Click on Join, and the group that the participant has just joined will appear at the bottom of the list. As far as leaving a group, you can only leave teacher-created groups. You will not be able to leave automatic groups you've been assigned to. In order to leave a group, click on the Join Groups menu option, click on Leave Group to the right of the group you wish to leave, and confirm that you no longer want to be a part of the group in the next window. To delete a group or edit a group's name, click on Manage Groups in the menu option, click on the group you wish to delete or edit, and then click on Details link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. To delete the group, click the X Delete link in the upper right-hand corner and confirm that you'd like to delete the group by clicking Yes. The group will be removed from your list. To edit the group name, click the current group name, edit the name, and then click Update to save your changes. Let's take a look at messages and the main function of School Messenger. The School Messenger app's Messages page displays all messages, voice, email, or text sent to you from your school or the school district during the last 30 days, as well as messages and conversations that have taken place in the School Messenger app groups that you have joined. They're sorted newest first, oldest last. The headings of all messages will appear on the left side of the messages screen. There are 2 types of messages. The first are broadcast messages. These are generally sent by the school or the school district as School Messenger broadcasts. They may include emergency notifications, closures, messages about attendance, general messages from the superintendent, etc. These will expire and be removed from your messages page after 30 days. The second type, teacher-sent messages, are messages sent initially by teachers, either publicly or privately, to participants who are members of a School Messenger app group. Unless deleted by the teacher, these remain in your message page indefinitely. Please note that the School Messenger app automatically assigns the color and initial of each of the student identification circles. Neither the color nor the initial are able to be edited. The broadcast messages, unlike the teacher-sent messages, are sent by the school or the district and not meant to be replied to or engaged with within the School Messenger app. Broadcast messages are labeled with their type in the upper right-hand corner of the message. Voice messages appear with audio controls and a timer, a play button and a stop button, and a seek bar. Text messages, or SMS messages, appear as exactly that. Text communication with reminders or general announcements. Messages can be filtered to display all messages, or only unread messages, or only general messages sent from the school or district, or only conversations among group members. Let's take a look closer at teacher messaging. You'll be able to see messages sent by teachers to groups you're a participant in, and also have the ability to send messages to groups you're the main group teacher of. Unless deleted by the teacher or yourself, these remain in your message page indefinitely. The main difference between teacher accounts and student or parent guardian accounts is that the parents and guardians cannot initiate the message. They can only reply to a message the teacher has sent if allowed by the teacher in the settings set. Let's take a look at how to create a message. It's a pretty simple process. You just select the recipients your message will be sent to. You designate whether their comments will be visible to others in the group, only visible to the teacher, or not visible at all. Click on the Messages menu option. Then click on the New Message button. The Select Recipients window will appear. Begin writing the name of specific recipients in the To field, or select the group you'd like to send a message to. You can refine your list using the following options. You can click any of the All subgroup buttons. You can click the Refine button and can select specific individuals from all subgroups. You can type an individual's name in the To field. The School Messenger app will locate and display all records that contain the sequence of letters you typed in either the first or last name. Click to select the appropriate individual. And you can also remove individuals from the recipient list by clicking the X next to their name. Then click Next, and the Compose Message window will appear. Now, write your message in the box provided. You can attach a file if you wish. We'll show you that in a moment. Select your comment settings and then click Next. Again, you can add an attachment to your message. They can be images such as PNG or JPEG files, documents such as PDFs or docs or PowerPoints, videos like an MP4, and audio like an MP3 or a WAV file. However, the maximum file size is 20 megabytes and you can only send one attachment per message. Click the Add Attachment icon, and after clicking the attachment icon, the Upload box appears. Upload your file by either selecting it from your computer or dragging and dropping it into the space provided. If the attachment is correct, click Next. If you wish to remove the attachment, click X to the right of the attachment and click the Add Attachment icon to attach a new file. Now, you're going to select your comment settings. You'll be prompted to select the comment settings, which include everyone in the conversation. This means comments to your message will be seen by the entire group. Me privately. Only the teacher will be able to see comments sent by the individuals. And comments not allowed, in which no one will be able to send a response. We also want to note that there is a setting for allowing everyone in the conversation to see each other's names. We encourage you to deselect this so that everyone in the conversation cannot see each other's names. If you're ready to send your message, you then click Create. To delete an entire message thread or a member comment, the teacher can delete the whole message thread or the single comment, and parents and students can delete their own comments. To delete the entire message thread, click on Messages in the menu, then click on the trash bin icon in the message header to delete the entire message thread, and confirm the deletion of the entire message thread. To delete a member comment, click on Messages in the menu, click on the three dots next to the comment that you wish to delete, and then click Delete. It's the option that will pop up in place of the dots, and then confirm the deletion in the next screen. Let's take a closer look at responding to a School Messenger app message. Now, anyone receiving a teacher-created message may read the message and, under the appropriate circumstances, read the comments of other group members and offer their own comments. These circumstances are defined by the teacher who created the original message. Messages may be configured so that comments can be entered and read by everyone. Comments can be entered by group members but will be received privately and read only by the teacher, or no comments are allowed. Group members won't see each other's names. If comments are enabled, enter your response in the comment box below. Then click on the paper airplane button to respond. You can also add an attachment to a reply, including images or documents or videos or audio. To attach a file in your response, click the blue paperclip icon. After clicking the attachment icon, the upload box will appear. And then you upload your file by either selecting it from your computer or dragging and dropping into the space provided. Once your file is attached, write a corresponding comment to your picture. This is required. And if the attachment is correct, click the paper airplane button to send. If you wish to remove the attachment, tap the X to the right of the attachment and click the blue paper icon to attach a new file. To log out, click on the icon with the 3 lines in the upper left corner of your screen, and then just click log out.